Well, so the hydraulics are leaking on my bike lift. I need to get it sorted. I need to get the bike off, take that bloody hydraulic pump off, and take it somewhere to get it bloody fixed or serviced or whatever it is they do. So, gutted. So before I thought it wasn't leaking hydraulic fluid, it is leaking hydraulic fluid. Well, on a lighter note, I still need to do a few more coats on the red, but it's much better than the orange that was on there. So I'm liking the look of that. Got a couple more coats to do, so I'll just put it up there to see if I was happy with that colour, and I'm happy with that colour. Once it's all polished up and running and shit, it's going to look good, it's going to look awesome. So it's a chili red, so very happy with that. I shortened these as well while I was at it today. I gave them cut off about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. So that's looking nice. It's almost reflective. Just needs a few more coats and a bit more cut and polish. And I need Kawasaki badges, and I need either Z440 or KZ440 badges. I'm not sure what they are. Now, should I do that red as well? That would look awesome if that was red. What do you reckon? That would look awesome if it was red. Yeah, probably a bit too much. I might just leave it, keep it black. Anywho, and this is the tail section, which I can't put on a bike yet because I need to put that on it, and to do that I need to get some new screws because there's 3 different types of screws holding all this on. So I'm going to get 4 completely absolutely the same screws. Yep, might get some black paint in there as well. Jeez, I'm going a bit over the top here, man. So happy, joy. It's looking not too shabby. Just a few more. Like I said before, I just don't have Bondi to bloody fix dents and stuff. So, being the amateur that I am, I'm just going to paint over the feckers. So, looking good. What's next to do? Fork seals, brakes, speedo cable. Because I've only got the tacho, I need to take it out. It's in the speedo dial. I need to take it out and put it in the right one. Get around to that. So, like your brakes, timing. I've got just figured out the point gap, so it's 0.35 mil. So I'll do that, and I'll, at the same time we'll check the valve clearance as well. So get all that sorted out. I've drained the carburetor. I still need to polish the tops, but it's going to be sitting for a little bit longer, so get the fuel out, and that's about it really. Needs new tyres. These tyres are like 90 years old or something. Give that a bit of take that off and give it a polish. It's a bit rusty. I don't know if I'll worry about it. Rear brakes are good. All the lights are working now. I need to paint the inserts here black again. I'll use some use some engine paint so that it doesn't fall off again. clutch cable that came with the bike is okay in the end, although it was covered up in green tape. It looks alright, and it's definitely all happening. And yeah, that's about it. Everything is working. It's running, but it's running rough, so I need to, like I say, figure out that timing. Alright, so that's me. I'm done for the day. I'm going to go inside and have some dinner now. And yeah, contemplate my next move. Chase up some parts.